Hi, if you want to adjust screen colors on your POCO X7 Pro, then go in Settings, scroll down and find Display and Brightness tab. I misclicked, so let's tap Display and Brightness and then scroll down a bit more and simply choose Color Scheme. After that, you can choose Preset, so by default you'll see checkmark on this Original Color Pro, but you can switch to Vivid, for example, to adjust colors based on the content displayed. You can also choose Saturated to always enhance colors, and we got option for advanced settings. But before we check this one, let's scroll a bit more and adjust color temperature. So you can see this dot, which you can drag anywhere across this circle to adjust color temperature. So you make the screen like bluish or pinkish like that. And we are doing it in a custom tab, so we can also switch to cool or warm and default. And now let's actually go in advanced settings, tap on this arrow, and now we got additional options like that. You can see the changes, and if you want to, you can adjust intensity of red colors by dragging this slider. Also the same for green colors and for blue colors. So you can make your own perfect preset and adjust saturation as well as value. Just take a look at this picture to see the changes. You can also adjust contrast here, gamma tab, and if you messed up you can discard changes and of course restore defaults. And here you can change color temperature as well, so you can adjust screen colors. Now let's go back, and in this video I'm gonna choose Vivid preset. So yep, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.